So the next topic that we're going to get into here, I'm going to put a big old disclaimer on it, a warning. We're going to discuss deleting worksheets. And you want to be very, very careful of this. Most cases, if something goes wrong, something blows up, something disappears, I don't know what happened to it, I make a mistake, my first instinct is to go to the undo button, which is up here on my quick access toolbar, and undo the last action or set of actions. Get back to where the document looks good. When you delete a worksheet, it's gone. You cannot undo the operation of deleting a worksheet. So do be very, very careful of this. Take a look. This is how you can delete a worksheet. But make sure you actually want to delete it and you're deleting the appropriate content. All right. So remember, I've got two worksheets in here, sheet 1 and sheet 2. I'm going to select sheet 2. This is just an empty worksheet, nothing on it. Now, if you delete an empty worksheet, it just deletes it. But if you got content on the worksheet, watch this. I'm going to put something out here. We'll just say, hello. So now I've got some content out there. I'm going to delete this worksheet. And once again, there's multiple ways to delete a worksheet, but here's a quick one. I'm just going to right click on the tab, sheet 2. This is the sheet that I want to delete. I'm going to right mouse button click. And lots of options in here. But one of them is delete. So I'll go ahead and select delete. And remember, this is very important. You cannot undo the deletion of a worksheet. It tells you right there, you can't undo deleting sheets. And you might be removing some data. If you don't need to delete it, then don't delete it. If you need to, then click the delete key. So I hit delete. That worksheet's gone. You can see I've only got one sheet down there. And my undo button does not work. Be very careful of that. There's very little worse than working all day inside of something, deleting a worksheet, and realizing that, I just deleted the wrong worksheet. What do you do now? Very careful of it. Just make sure, double, triple check, make sure you're deleting the appropriate worksheet, the one that you intended to get rid of, before you actually confirm and say delete it. And saying that, try it out. Create a sheet, drop some content in there, right click on the tab, delete it. Read the message box. Just confirm that, yep, that's the sheet I'm talking about, and delete it. Try it out.